Hello and welcome back. So in this tutorial we'll be looking at another question based on circle. Let me first read the question. The question says, in the figure PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. So here PQRS, this is a cyclic quadrilateral since all its four vertices touches the circumference of a circle. Also, radius is produced to T, so this line radius is extended up to point T, and if PS is an angle bisector, so this line PS is the angle bisector of angle QST, so we can say that angle PSQ, this triangle is this angle is equal to angle PST since PS bisects this whole triangle angle PST. And using this information we have to prove that triangle PQR, so here is triangle PQR, this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the given condition that angle PSQ is equal to angle PST since PS is the angle bisector. For the second step I can write that this triangle PST is equal to angle PQR since we know that exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to its opposite interior angle. I can write here angle PST is equal to angle PQR. Now the third step I'm going to do is I can write this inscribed angle PSQ is equal to another inscribed angle PRQ since they are standing on the same arc PQ. So I can write here angle PSQ is equal to angle PRQ. The reason being inscribed angle standing on the same arc PQ. This both angle PSQ and PRQ are inscribed angle and they're standing on the same arc PQ. So here this angle is equal to this angle. Now finally if we look into this triangle PQR, we can see that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So since two angles of triangle PQR are same or equal, we can say that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Here since this angle PQR are equal, we can say that this side is equal to this side, and finally we can say that this triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle since its two angles are equal, or we can say its two sides are equal. I hope it is clear to you, and thanks for watching.